Hey, so I was cleaning my PS5 Slim and I was using this cloth, and I find out that when you actually use it, you are going to scratch this plastic and also these two white parts. Take a look, I'm gonna zoom in just to show you that it really happened to me. That's of course the greasy marks and my fingerprints, but when you take a look right here, as you can see, that's our scratches. The same for the white part, but it's actually not visible on the camera because I just turn on the high brightness level, and the same happened to me on this side. Take a look. Here are of course my fingerprints and the greasy marks, but here you can find this marks, this scratches. As you can see, it looks like this. So the quality of the PS5 Slim is actually terrible. So be careful, and that's all. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.